Heading out with the moms to the sister's place. Just be there with the family. It's a little bit gloomier today. No high wind yet, but supposedly we did have it early in the morning. But we were sleeping, so we didn't really feel it. And mostly down in South Miami. But right now, the hurricane is actually heading more towards the west. So it won't really hit Miami that much. Hopefully it just goes left when we can out, but we'll see. ¿Qué tenemos ahí? Pero en inglés.
Esto es hot dog con patacón picado.
En inglés.
Y aguacate. Ah, no, en inglés no sé.
Banana grill.
Plata ahí.
Oh, chef.
The chef.
¿Cuál es ese?
Pinzón.
Tenemos pollo, el steak, que es el patacón. Y arrocito.
En aguacate.
Rico.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you.
This is what happens when you don't get no sleep.
This is what happens when you get no sleep and you drink a little bit more than what you expected.
Pre-hurricane party.
Yeah.
El chef del día. Ahora haciendo dinner. Salchipapa. So we just got the alert from the hurricane tornado watch, and we got some rain going on. Sunday morning. Salió una palmita ahí. Estás esperando que me vaya, mira.
Ah, el de la casa tuya al frente.
Ahí. No abre la puerta, no la puerta. Está buscando.
Ella se metió ahora acá. Ahí está la familia. Mira, ¿veo? Ahí está toda la familia en esta.
So the electricity is officially out. As of like 2 o'clock. Look at this guy.
Holy shit, we got a big bag.
¿Qué es eso?
Mama Juana, Santo Domingo.
I'm in my moment right now.
¿Churundó?
Sí.
Oh, shit.
Vamos a poner.
¡Ay, puta!
De mi mamá. Yo quiero saber que se le mojó, mira que se le mojó.
Ahí lo tengo en la cámara. Esto cállese.
¡Mami! Se le mojó su maleta. Toda. Mire. Is it bad out there?
Yeah.
It's a little bit more down, yeah.
Really?
So what's the update now?
Hurricane is gone, dude. But we get to go home soon.
What we're waiting for now? Electricity?
Yeah.
Oh, we got some other places. Oh, so that whole place over there has electricity.
Yeah,
now.
electricity. The whole now, if you look down, all that,
The whole street?
everything that from that street down, everything is light. See? Light.
Oh shit! So it's coming. So it should be coming here today.
I don't know.
Let's check out the damages so far. It's at the end of the hurricane, but let's go check it out.
When I'm here with you. When I'm here
Hey, Rose. Like the little tour?
I'm looking for snacks right now.
Watch out with that palm tree.
Miguel, lo que hay ahí. No es que se me entró el agua a mi cuarto y al de Dila.
Ahí está colgado todo.
Por la...
Está rico.
That feels good, yeah.
Wow, check this out.
Yeah.
Para poder entregar antes posiblemente el miércoles o el viernes ya tendrán que volver.
Mira el vecino cómo le quedó el carro.
Pero adentro. No electricity, no AC. So we're gonna sleep in the car. Cool off. Where's can you just turn it on?
They're gonna turn it on, right? Oh no, let's turn this. There you go.
Oh, you have one.
Either.
I think she has two.
Oh, okay. So let's take this one out.
So it's Sunday, the hurricane passed last night. We had a curfew until today, 7 o'clock in the morning. We showed the devastation, not devastation, but kind of like his little wreck that it had. I believe it was a category 2 when it hit us, and it was more west, but still did do some damage. Road trip.
Lo partió en 3 ways. Pero es bastante mole en la calle, ¿verdad? Ay, mira, se le llevó el pelo.
Bueno, mamita, gracias.
Ciao. Ciao por todo.
Doña Esperanza, gracias por todo. Tenemos más.
On the way to the house, check out our freaking apartments. Well, my family's apartments. See the results of that, where my car is. So fast forward 7 days later, we're back home with power. Finally, after a whole week, we had to pretty much be like gypsies and live in different places. The first 2 days we did come back here to the apartment. We had Stephanie's cousins over here. It's a little bit more fresher than their parents' house because we live in the 5th floor, so we had everything open. Yeah, at least a little bit better of a breeze, more comfortable sleeping, which is most important. And I guess the only issue was finding food. I mean, at one point it took us quite a while to get some food. The cousins that were for Holland, Amsterdam, never had Taco Bell, so on Monday we searched for Taco Bell, everything was closed, and then finally Tuesday we decided to give it one more shot, and we finally got a Taco Bell that was not only open, but there wasn't a ridiculous line. So we got our food fixed, and they got their Taco Bell craving.
Last time I had Taco Bell was 3 years ago. 3 years ago. And I told my sister she had to try it. So we had to find a Taco Bell that was open after Irma. And guess what?
Finally we did. So it's the 4th day of no electricity, even though we don't have full electricity here. So here at the apartment we have partial electricity. So you can see here the fridge works, the kitchen works, I do know that FPO is working on it, so it won't be long until they get it fixed, and we should be having power pretty soon. Hold on, where did the truck go? Motherfucker! Day 5, still no electricity-ish. Day 6, we're back in the building, actually, just to pick up stuff, pick up clothes, to change, because, well, yeah, to change, we need to change. So on Friday, my parents' house finally got electricity, so definitely we migrated over there to get some AC. Finally, we're here at the apartment. Yeah, finally after a whole week, we can go back to normal, working, freaking sleeping comfortably, eating comfortably, watching TV, relaxing, and editing, because my edit station is still over there. So, deuces, thank you for watching the vlog. Peace. You know what, one more thing, because I thought it was pretty funny. So I set up my GoPro at my sister's house. I didn't use the footage because nothing really went, because like trees or anything like that. So all you see is pretty much like a fast forward video of trees, you know, waving and stuff. So I didn't use it. However, I told her that I was gonna come back and take away the mount because it's adhesive. So I had to go get a heat gun or just a regular hair dryer. She came to my mom's house on Friday. It's like, hey, I brought you the thing. Okay, cool. To use our hair dryer? She's like, no, we just cut it. Thanks.